eager to enhance your skills and knowledge but worried about the cost of online courses? Look no further. In this video, I will guide you through a process of applying for financial aid on Coursera, making quality education accessible to everyone using ChatGPT. First, you see the power of AI. I have used ChatGPT to generate my content, that is my script to be read to you guys. So this is the power of AI, and I'm going to teach you how to use this ChatGPT to apply for financial aid on Coursera and get approved and start doing online courses and approved. But one question I want to ask you is, most people think online certification is not valid. So I asked this question here. Let's go. On Google, I just asked, is Coursera certificate valid? And what they said is yes. Coursera courses are valid and recognized worldwide. In fact, you can get high-paying jobs with valid Coursera certificate. Whoa, and this is the key. So after this video, you will be able to apply for financial aid. And please, the financial aid is applied to developing countries, right? So if you're in developing countries, you can apply for this financial aid. So let's get into it. So then you go and you search for Coursera. If you are new, you just log in with your credentials. You can use your Google account, very simple, and this is the interface of what? Coursera. Now look at this. I have applied for one. So for evidence sake, I'm doing Ferrous Technology 1 because it's under my course. I'm doing metallurgical engineering and I love Ferrous a lot. So it's still making. I saw it and I was like, I applied, right, using this AI, which helped me to generate what I need to do for the application on the financial aid. So let's get into it. So there's Coursera. When you get to Coursera, Coursera is accredited by most top of the universities in the world, right? So you are going to search for a course that you want. So for this sake, I'm going to give you some courses. Note that not all courses have this financial aid, right? These are limited to some courses. Some courses are free, some courses are paid. Now, some courses have financial aid and paid. So when you apply for financial aid and you get approved, then you start doing the course. So as you can see, I applied for this Ferrous Technology 1 and I got approved. They sent to me on my email and I just started my course and I've completed 52%. And if I'm done with this, I get my certificate and I'm good to go. So let me teach you how you can apply financial aid using the ChatGPT. So now let's take one course for example. So we have some list of courses that I'm going to show you to know whether they offer financial aid or not. So let's go to it. So now we have most popular certificates, right? These are most popular certificates and these are all most popular what certificate, and this is what professional certificate. So then let me open to Google Analytics. So Google Data Analytics. So Google Data Analytics is here. When you open it, it will show something like this, right? Now you scroll down. Now you can see something interesting here. They've written what? Financial aid available. If you see financial aid available, that means that you are good to go. You could apply it and get approved. So you come here and let's read something you need to know. This is 8 courses series, and what you need to do is that you earn a career credential, demonstrate your expertise, beginner level, 6 months at 10 hours a week, flexible schedule, and degree credits. So this you are going to just schedule it for your own time and it's 6 months. So you schedule it, and whilst you are going on, they are short courses, they are long courses. 6 months, you could do 10 hours a week. You can even do maybe, it depends on you. Anytime you have, just schedule it and just go there and do it. Because with mine, let me go to mine. With what I was doing, they gave me some, I could finish maybe, is it 3 months or 4 months? But I'm always done. Just started and I was just doing it, right? And I'm here to complete and get my certificate. So let's see how you can apply. So when you go there, first, you see this, you click on what? Financial aid available, you click it. So you click here, financial aid available, and this is it. And the original price is what? $49. You go to next. Now, we are going to continue with the application. So selected courses, we have foundation data everywhere. But when you go to continue with the application, now when you open to continue with the application, this is where we are going to apply the chat GPT magic, right? So you're going to follow what I'm going to do, and then after this I'm going to list some of the courses that you can apply. So this is the interface. Welcome back. So for here, you choose where you are. I'm in the college, that is college degree. Annual income, you're a student. zero, because I'm from Ghana is zero. I'm a student as an what employment status, and reason why I need this. So this one was how I applied for the first one. So I clear this. So then, how do I generate this using ChatGPT? So I just go back here, right? So that is the course I'm choosing is what? You go back to the course, which is the Google Data Analytics, right? So what you do now is that you come here and you write reason what? Apply, and you copy Control plus C. Then you come to ChatGPT and you put it here. So and you add the course. Reason you applied for aid on Google Data Analytics. So you go here. So with this, you are going to tell ChatGPT to tell like write what you want, right? So reason why you're applying for this, and you need to include that they say that it should be more than 150 words, right? So the key thing is one, you just say that for financial background, okay, and more than 150 words, more than 150 words, and you just press enter. So ChatGPT is going to generate what you need to do, right? So reason you applied for aid on Google Data Analytics. So look at this. It is generating what you are supposed to do, right? So I applied for financial aid on Google this one due to my poor financial background. Pursuing a career in this one, you see, it has generated what I want, right? What you need to do is I just copy this, Control plus C. But note, when you copy something from ChatGPT, it's sometimes not coming that way. So you just after you just copy to this one, you paste it here, and then you copy from here again, and you cut, right? Then you send to where we have financial aid. Then you put it here, Control plus V. I have done that very simple. Then I apply that. I have reviewed my information, and then I go to next. With this, what you're supposed to do is that they say how much can you pay for the selected course. You just move to $0 US, and how will you how will your selected course help you with your goals? So just Control plus C, you have copied, and just bring it here. Control plus V, and you just write more than 150 words. So just do this because ChatGPT is following up for what you wrote, right? So when you do this, it's going to follow up. That's how ChatGPT is because he has that information, so it will continue from that. So the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate is a what? It has written everything for you. You just go here and just copy it, right? You go through it and you copy, and then you paste it here. You then you copy and you cut. Then you send it back to the financial aid. Then you what? Put it here, paste. Then what you do now is that this is it. I am sharing my accurate information on the application. I commit to finishing the course. And what the last thing you tell is what? I agree to the course, to the terms, right? Terms above. Then you go to I'm not a robot, right? They're going to check something for you. I'm not a robot. You need to do something to show. Then what do you do? You go to what? Review, and then you go to submit application. So I've submitted that application and to be sent to my email that I've submitted that. I've submitted a lot of applications and I'm waiting for it to be approved, right? Yes. So when it's approved, they'll send it to you on your Gmail. And there are a lot of courses that you can do. One course that you can do is safety course, which is safety in the industry. This is one of the safety course, and also that one I've applied already. It has for financial aid available. We have um social marketing, right? If you want to get some social marketing and social marketing professional certificate, with that one you can also apply here by what? Just going to the financial aid and using ChatGPT to do that. And that's very simple. We have a lot of courses that you can do, either the professional certificate and other one that you can do. And at the end, you get something for yourself. So I urge you to do more with this, and I hope everything will be right. Thank you for watching this video.